Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making a single master sheet so everything has a home. First, list core life areas and create clear columns: item, category, due date, priority 1-5, status, and notes. Once done, convert the range to an Excel table and freeze the header row so you always see context. This is the foundation. It gives consistent structure and lets you filter later. Make sure to name the table and save a template so future lists follow the same logic. Next, you add controls that keep the sheet accurate. Use data validation dropdowns for category and status to stop typos, then apply conditional formatting to color priority and highlight overdue items, visual speed decisions. Insert dynamic formulas like equals today for due comparisons, equals if to derive progress labels, and countifs to produce live summary numbers. Once those elements work, build a small dashboard area with key totals so you can scan what needs attention in seconds and act without delay. To finish, automate and set a rhythm so the system endures. You can add simple macros or use Power Query to import recurring data. Schedule a weekly review where you filter by status, adjust priorities, and archive completed items. Make sure to back up a copy before major changes. If things go wrong, check your validation lists, formula ranges, and that table or named range references didn't shift. Those are the usual culprits. Fixing those restores your live, organized workflow quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.